Hi, I'm Darnell, and I just got a fireplace and cabinetry installed by DC Home Remodeling. I'm very satisfied with the product. I was happy when I was looking for contractors because I wanted something that would allow for more storage, but my old home had a fireplace and I didn't have one here, so I wanted something that integrated that along with hiding all the cords for like the TV stand or whatnot. And so I looked up DC Home Remodeling and a bunch of other contractors online, and they had the best reviews. Mustafa answered the phone immediately. I was really happy with the design choices he allowed me to pursue. He gave me a couple of options. I got to choose one, and to actually see it come to life from a drawing concept to now permanently in our living room, I'm really happy with the results. So I'm going to be referring a lot of my personal friends and relationships with who want a contractor to DC Home Remodeling. I'm really happy and satisfied.